Good morning, YouTube. It's Ro here. Thank you for visiting You Grow Ro. If this is your first time here, I hope you'll consider subscribing at the end of this video. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Looks like that guy's saying hi to you guys too. Good morning. Today, we're going to be pulling some more potatoes in just a moment. So it has been raining profusely here, and it has taken a toll on these potatoes. They're all flopped over into the aisle, and it just looks really bad. Plus, I need this bed for some more tomato planting. So today I'll be pulling those out. However, I will be leaving that one piece of marshmallow in there that you see standing up, that tallest piece, that's marshmallow. But the rest of that, on the back half of this bed, is coming out. Let's see what I get. I honestly don't remember when I planted these. Obviously, several months ago, I threw them out here when the ground was workable. And they're not dying back yet, so I am pulling these sooner than you would normally want to. But like I said, I need my bed. And I also have more potatoes over at the community garden. They still need a couple more months, but that bed will be allowed to stay in and fully mature. Where these I'm pulling early, they're going to be new potatoes. I've already pulled the potatoes in the first half of this bed. I'll link to the video up here. Now it's time to get the second half out. First things first, I want to thank my mom for this apron she got me. It's not a roux, but it's something like a roux, and I'm using it today for the first time. It's got a big old harvesting pouch on the front and all kinds of pockets for all the different tools and stuff that you might be carrying with you. And maybe it even has a zippered pocket where you can probably keep your phone so it doesn't get all messed up. And it is machine washable. So I am looking forward to giving this a try. I will leave a link to this or something like it down below in the description. Oh my goodness. I don't know, guys. I don't know if you're getting a feeling like I am, but I think this is going to be a pretty decent harvest. Another pretty decent harvest. All right, friends, this is where the real fun begins. Now I get to really see what I got in here. Let's take a look. Whew. There were some enormous worms in my bed and lots of other creepy crawlies, and that's fine. That's all good. I compost in place all year round, so it makes sense that there's active life going on in my beds. The dirt feels really good. It was nice to get my hands in there. I know I was wearing gloves, but it was still really nice to get my hands in there. And there we go, friends. That's what I got here. That's what a couple of pantry potatoes, and I always buy, if I don't have pantry potatoes, well, even if I do have pantry potatoes, I used to buy them from like a potato company, but now I just go to Aldi and buy their netted bag of new potatoes for $4.99. You usually get 12 to 15 of them in there, and that's what I throw into the ground. That bag of potatoes and whatever I had in the pantry that had already sprouted. So let me get over there, collect everything, and move it indoors. It is filled to the brim. Potatoes upon potatoes. All right, there's my harvest. I told you it was gonna be pretty decent. Wow. So these are just going straight into cardboard boxes in a flat layer and put in the basement. We are in no need of potatoes right now. That last harvest is we still got more than half of those left. So it'll be a while, and that's fine. Maybe even I'll be able to save some of these for planting in my next planting. But I did see one. Oh, this one. I would love to get some more really purple ones like this. I only got one little tiny one. I don't know if that was left over from past harvest or what, but that's pretty. Anyway, and I couldn't tell you if the white just did better or if the red did worse. Maybe I had more white potatoes than red potatoes when I put them in there. I don't know. But either way, I am thrilled with this end product, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your family and friends, and I will see you all in another video on another day. Until then, happy growing, my friends.